Located on a cul-de-sac in East Glenview, there is plenty of room to spread out. Welcome to 419 Beech in Glenview. Sit and enjoy a glass of wine. Many big-ticket items have been replaced, including the new roof, windows, zone heating and air, floors, and bathrooms. Spread out your buffet and serve your family on this gigantic countertop. Hang out with your friends and watch the big game here. Own a piece of Glenview history. This home was converted to a single-family home from a chicken barn and featured in the Chicago Tribune back in 1966. The yard is completely fenced with an outdoor fireplace. Where else can you find this much space for the price? Schedule your tour today.